Good morning, children. In today's class, we'll continue with the poem Patriotism. Yesterday, we finished first two stanzas. Today, we will do the third and fourth stanza. The fourth stanza has got only two lines. Shall we continue, children? Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Yes, we have different language. Do you all speak the same language, children? Do the people in your neighborhood or people who live around you speak the same language? No. Everybody talks their own mother tongue or the regional language. Yet, our integrity shouldn't damage. What is integrity? A wholesomeness. It should be an undivided country. We should be whole and united as Indians. Even though we speak different languages, we should be united and undivided as Indians. Will we make our mother proud? Who is our mother, children? Here, our mother is Mother India, our country, India. The poet asks us to live in unity and make Mother India a proud nation, or be with her like the crowd. So, again, the poet is asking us, will you make Mother India proud, or will you be like the crowd? That is the common man who doesn't care for anybody, or like the ones who don't care for the society. Learn how to be kind and love each of her child. So the poet is advising us to be kind, to be good towards every people, to help other people, and love each of her child. We should love each of Mother India's child. Who are the children of Mother India? We. So even though we speak different languages, we follow different religion, we should love everyone equally. We should be kind to everyone. By being like this, you can make Mother India proud. Hope you understood the poem, children. Shall we learn the meanings connected to this poem, children? Yes, you may read along with me, children. Meanings. Number 1. Boundaries. A dividing line. Boundaries. A dividing line. Number 2. Core. Our true self. Core. Our true self. Number 3. Foreign. Distant. Foreign. Distant. Number 4. Integrity. The state of being wholesome. Integrity. The state of being wholesome. That is united. Number 5. Proud. Feeling honored. Proud. Feeling honored. HONOURED. Honored. Practice these meanings one time neatly in your notebook, children. Thank you, children.